In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer GCash money to GoTyme Bank. We'll keep this clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. Before we begin, make sure your GoTyme app is updated, your internet connection is due, and your GCash wallet has enough balance for the amount you plan to move. It also helps to keep your notifications on, since you may be asked to verify the transfer during the process. Start by opening the GoTyme app and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option labeled Send or Transfer. This is where you'll start the move from GCash into your GoTyme balance. Tap that and you'll see several ways to move money. Choose the option that says Other Banks. This tells the app you want to bring funds in from a different service rather than moving money within GoTyme. From the list of available sources, select GCash. You're now setting up a direct transfer from your GCash wallet into your GoTyme account. On the amount screen, carefully enter the exact amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to double-check the figure so you don't accidentally send too much or too little. If the app shows any fees or limits, review them here so there are no surprises. When you're ready, tap Next. The app will guide you through a short set of prompts to confirm the transfer. Follow the instructions on your screen and enter your GCash details when asked. This typically involves securely logging into GCash and authorizing the transaction. Make sure the account name and details you see match your own and confirm only if everything looks correct. If you receive a one-time code for verification, enter it promptly and never share it with anyone. After you authorize, you'll be brought back to GoTyme for a confirmation message. Most transfers like this are processed almost instantly, though on rare occasions it can take a little longer depending on network traffic. Keep the confirmation screen visible until you see that the transfer is successful. If something doesn't go through, check 3 things right away: your GCash balance, your internet connection, and whether you entered the correct details during authorization. You can try again once everything looks good. For persistent issues, reach out to support through the official help channels in either app. And that's it. You've just moved money from GCash to your GoTyme Bank account using the Send or Transfer feature, Other Banks, and the GCash option, all done safely and efficiently.